Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. We have this little Ford 2N tractor. Has a fresh valve job on this machine. It's been greased and it's ready to go. The rear rubber on it's in pretty fair shape. The front rubber is in fair shape, but at the same token, it has a little age to it. This tractor purrs like a kitten. Just what you see is what you get. This tractor is going to sell with this little back blade. This tractor will be sold Sunday, May 6th. It's located in Miles City, Montana. If you're in the market for a little Ford tractor,